Plaintiff Francis Scheibelhut and his wife Jenny say the defendant is married to his daughter, and he knows that they both use drugs. Francis claims the defendant stole 300 of his prescription pain pills and replaced them with aspirin, and he's suing him today for breach of contract. Defendant Thomas Beck admits that he used to be on drugs, but insists he's been clean and sober for 5 years, and he never stole any pills from Francis. Thomas claims Francis was always losing things, and Thomas would always find them, and he's countersuing for unpaid wages and harassment.
Start with you, sir.
Your Honor, I know Thomas Beck. He married my daughter, Sherry.
When?
About 25, 26 years ago or so.
Okay.
And they're both on, they both do drugs, I do know that.
How do you know?
And they do no legal drugs, plus marijuana.
How do you know?
Well, I know. He stole 300 pills from me, of Percocet.
Stole 300 pills from
Yes, Your Honor.
Of Percocet?
300 Percocet, and he put, there was round at that time, and he put aspirins in the bottle to make me believe that there was Percocet. So I called the doctor one day, and I told him, I said, my Percocet's not working no more.
Sir?
And that's it.
Let me hear from you about some of the background on this with your father-in-law.
Well, like he said, I was married to his daughter for 27 years.
Still married?
Still married. And I'd done work for him over the years.
What about the dope?
I don't smoke marijuana. You could drug test me right now. I stopped that stuff 5 years ago.
I'm not concerned as much about that as I am about those Percocets. That's highly addictive.
Well, every
opiate.
time he says something is missing, I come over there and find it. I'll find pills under the couch. I'll find pills under his bed.
You say you come over and return it after you bust
No. Not after I took them, no.
Sure, Your Honor.
And first of all, I can't get in his safe where he keeps them. And, you know,
You tried, huh?
Tried. Yes, he did try.
Safe.
Obviously tried.
That's right.
But,
Say you tried, but you can't get in.
No, I can't get in.
And I'd like to say something too.
Yes, ma'am.
I've seen him come to, I'm Francis's wife, and I've seen him come to our house about 10 times. And every time he does leave, there is something missing from the garage.
And I always come over there and he tells me these things, and I always come over and find them, okay?
That's not true.
Moving on. Over the years, no matter what happened, I'd help him out.
Let me hear from your wife. Young lady, did you want to say something?
Yeah, first of all,
State your name.
It ain't none of her business.
State your name.
My name is Sherry Buck.
All right. Now, what did you come here to do other than to fight with your mother-in-law? I mean, that's what...
She's not my
with your
mother-in-law.
stepmom. You know what I mean.
This.
Just I'm his witness on... and when he wants to know why the garage door is open,
He's
that's
pointing
where
to something he wants you to read now.
Tell him about what he does to your daughter.
He wants to make sure you don't forget your lives. Go ahead. Go ahead, read, man. What you got to say? Go ahead.
Last year, when his granddaughter graduated with honor rolls, he promised her a car. All she got was a card, congratulations, with $1 in it.
Oh, she deserved.
He said that's all she deserved at that time.
They don't talk to me, they don't call me, they don't do nothing.
That's right.
All right.
Nobody comes over there because they're
Why are you suing for the breach
expected.
of contract, sir?
I loaned him $5,500 in last year, April 11th, last year, 2008.
What did you have to loan him that for?
Well, they said, oh, we're in a jam. And he says, I won't ask you for no money. Oh, please, can I have it now? $5,500. I'll never borrow again. What did you do with the money? Drugs. And I got proof from the bank where he paid.
He's the one that's on drugs.
Sir, what did you want the $5,500 for?
I have
buy dope?
mortgage papers. No, I don't do dope, Your Honor.
Well, I'm just asking you what he's saying.
No, I got
They were gonna
behind on
foreclose
my
on our
mortgage.
house.
They were going to foreclose.
Oh, I got you.
So I had, it's changing jobs. I drove some. I went back to digging, you know, back to plumbing business and stuff.
And you agreed to pay him, obviously,
Right.
and have you repaid him? If not, why?
Well, the economy took a, you know what, a dive.
Yep.
So I had to go back to my other job like I explained to you. But the pay was a little bit lower than what I was when I left.
So did you pay him anything?
Yes, I did.
How much?
I really didn't even look.
Last payment was July of 09.
When?
He
When's
quit
the last
that job. He quit the job driving semi, which I don't blame him. He's a good worker. He's a good man.
And he's gonna.
But when he quits, I mean, I wouldn't hire him back either. But if he wanted to work for me $3 a week, I'd sure pay him. Not sure. Better believe it right now.
$3 a week.
$3 a week.
Counterclaiming now.
That's what he's counterclaiming
$3
for.
a week. That's where he came up with his amount.
Sir, you're countersuing for what? he says for $5,000 for unpaid wages, you're countersuing him for.
I'm countersuing him for the work that I've done for him, $3 a week. That's for gas.
Is that what you get now? No wonder you can't repay the loan, sir. Man, how's the man going to repay you at $3 a week?
That's what I'm charging him.
Well, that's what you're charging him?
Him.
Going back how long?
Oh.
27.
27 years.
You better go check your medicine bottle. Seems like he may have been dipping in there again.
I don't think so. I know he was.
Did he agree to pay you $3 a week 20-some-odd years ago?
No.
Okay, but he's agreeing today, right? You'll pay him in the future. From now on, you'll give him $3 a week.
Right.
Matter of fact,
With
so
the armed
will I.
guard
Are
there.
you available? If you're available, you can start today.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I'll give you a raise.
Yeah.
I'll give you $5 a week. Now beat that. Sir, if there was no agreement to pay you, he doesn't owe you. You were helping your father-in-law, as many son-in-laws do, one way or the other.
Right.
Secondly, 20-some-odd years, you're beyond the statute of limitations, even if he had agreed to pay you. And I do have the agreement, and you're not certain how many payments you made. However, he has detailed information, including interest. You still owe him the amount he's suing you for, sir.
Right.
I'm going to grant you your judgment.
Thank you.
And congratulate you on a lovely wife there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're doing something right.
Love her very much. Love her very much.
All right.
Super cool.
$4,745 is your judgment.
Thank
Your
you.
claim is dismissed, sir. Have a good day.
I've never met her before.
I don't know. Gold digger's a gold digger, I guess.
See?
Well,
Because
look at her and look at him. I mean, she's 40 years younger. I mean, she's only there for the money, which, you know, that's good and fine. That's his, he made his bed, he can lay at it.
I'm going to be 50 next year,
you
and I
look
have a very good job, and I can make my own money.
Yes, she does.
That's right.
That's it.